Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to see how to solve double integral. Now see first example, solve integral, limit is 0 to 1, next limit is x to 2x, x square plus y square dx dy. Limit of this integral is in the form of x, so that's why this limit is for y and this limit is for x. Now see here, to solve this integral, limit of a variable x is constant, so here we have to integrate with respect to x in the last, and first we have to integrate with respect to y. Limit of y is x to 2x, x square plus y square. Here it is a limit of y, so it is dy, and outside is dx. When we are integrating with respect to y, to now see here, limit of x 0 to 1 as it is, 1 by 1 integrate this term. So ये addition में term है, तो if we integrate x square, तो x square is constant, x square अगर outside निकल गया तो remaining is here dy, क्योंकि dy से यहाँ पे open हो रहा है bracket, so x square outside, तो integration of dy is y plus integration of y square is y cube by 3. Limit of this variable is x to 2x dx. Here put upper limit minus of lower limit. जिस variable से integrate किया है उसी variable में we have to put upper limit and lower limit. So here x equals to 0 to 1 as it is, integration limit. Here x square as it is, if we put upper limit minus of lower limit in y, then upper limit is twice x minus of lower limit, तो it is a x. ये first term में put up किया है, then plus 1/3 constant as it is, क्योंकि उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे, upper limit lower limit यहाँ पे put up कर रहे हैं. So here if we put upper limit, तो y का क्यूब है तो upper limit का भी क्यूब हो जाएगा, it is a 8x cube. Minus of lower limit, तो lower limit का भी क्यूब, तो it is a x cube dx. Now here simplify this term, so 2x minus x is x, integration 0 to 1, it is a x, and x into x square is x cube plus 1 by 3 as it is. Simplify this term, so 8x cube minus x cube, it is a 7x cube dx. So here 7 by 2 plus 1, because here x cube is a common. If we take x cube outside, then remaining is 1 plus 7 by 3. So simplify this term, so it will be 10 by 3 is constant, we can take outside. Remaining is integral 0 to 1 x cube dx. So therefore 10 by 3 as it is, integration of x cube is x raised to the power 4 by 4, limit is 0 to 1. Put upper limit minus of lower limit. So upper limit is 1. So here 10 by 3, it is 1 by 4, minus of lower limit is 0. Either you have to simplify or directly take the product of 3 into 4. So here if we cancel out this term with 2, then it is a numerator 5 divided by 6. Next example is solve integral 0 to 1. Next integral limit is y to y square plus 1 x square into y dx dy. Limit contain variable y, then this limit is for x. और अगर ऑब्वियसली आपको ये पता चल गया कि ये लिमिट x का है, तो ऑब्वियसली बचा हुआ लिमिट किसका रहेगा, y का. Now see here, limit of x is in the form of y. If limit of x is in the form of y, so we have to first integrate with respect to x, क्योंकि x का लिमिट वेरिएबल के फॉर्म में, एंड कांस्टेंट लिमिट किसका है, y का, so उसको बाद में इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. So here to solve this integral, we have to take constant limit outside. Here constant limit किसका है, y का, that is integral 0 to 1, and inside we have to take x. Limit of integration is y to y square plus 1. Function is x square y. Here we are taking integration with respect to x. First we have to integrate with respect to x and then with respect to y. So in the next step, here y varies from 0 to 1 as it is. From this term, we can take y outside because we are integrating with respect to x. So here y का term side में निकल जाएगा. Now put upper limit minus of lower limit. So here integral y equals to 0 to 1 y function as it is. अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट x के अंदर पुट करना है, तो ये 3 की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, ये कांस्टेंट है. थ्रू आउट इंटीग्रल के आउटसाइड निकाल सकते हैं. सो 1/3 कांस्टेंट आउटसाइड द इंटीग्रल. हियर पुट अपर लिमिट. तो यहाँ पे x का क्यूब है तो अपर लिमिट का भी क्या होगा, क्यूब. हियर x का क्यूब है तो अपर लिमिट पुट करोगे तो उसका भी क्या होगा, क्यूब, क्योंकि वी आर पुटिंग वैल्यू इन x. सो हियर इट इज ए y स्क्वायर प्लस 1 ब्रैकेट क्यूब minus of lower limit. So minus of lower limit, so here we have to put y. So lower limit का भी क्या हो जाएगा, cube into dy. If we use formula a plus b bracket cube here, then see 1/3 as it is, integral 0 to 1 y as it is. Here if we apply formula, then it is a cube, that is a y square cube is 6 plus 3 times a square. So a square, that means y raised to the power 4 plus 3 y square plus 1 minus y cube into dy. Here see a plus b bracket cube is equals to a cube plus 3 times a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. Now here if we multiply by this y, then it is a 1/3 integral 0 to 1 y raised to the power 7 plus 3 y raised to the power 5 plus 3 y raised to the power 3, then here plus y minus y raised to the power 4 into dy. So simply integration of x raised to the power n dx, इसका जो फॉर्मूला है x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, इसी फॉर्मूले की हेल्प से हम यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. सो हियर 1 by 1 इंटीग्रेट दिस टर्म. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ y raised to the power 7 is y raised to the power 8 by 8 plus 3 y raised to the power 6 by 6 3 y raised to the power 4 by 4, then y square by 2 minus y raised to the power 5 by 5. Limit is 0 to 1. If we put upper limit minus of lower limit, so upper limit, that means here put y equals to 1. So 1/3 in bracket 1 by 8 plus here 3 by 6 remain रहेगा, तो we can write it is 1 by 2, और अगर नहीं लिखना होगा तो 3 by 6 as it is भी लिख दो. So it is 3 by 4, then 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. Minus of lower limit के लिए whole term is 0. So here I equals to, it is a 67 divided by 120.
Below the video you can see subscribe button. Click on that to subscribe, and there in the right hand side bell icon. Click on the icon to get the notification of updated video. In the left hand side there is a Swati Think Mathematics icon. Click on that icon. You will see home page of my channel video playlist. Here in the playlist all the videos are available in the folder form. So if you want video on particular topic, just click on that folder.
Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.